Today we are going to see about the topic digital transformation in lifelong learning. Digital transformation, lifelong learning. Here we have the contents, introduction, government initiatives, technological advancement, opportunities and challenges, case studies, future prospects, and to the conclusion. Moving on to the introduction, digital learning in the context of NEP 2020, a comprehensive analysis. India's National Education Policy 2020 has ensured insignificant reforms and changes to the educational system with a particular focus on digital learning. And government initiative is the India Report on Digital Education 2021 released by the Ministry of Education provides valuable insights into the country's effort to promote digital learning. Here are the key highlights. They are purpose and scope. The purpose and scope are the report aims to identify gaps in the education system, regional disparities, and opportunities for expanding and enhancing digital education. Its ultimate goal is to ensure that no learner is left behind in the digital transformation of education. And moving on to the initiatives and efforts, state and union territories, that is UTs. The report showcases initiatives taken by Education Department across states and UTs. In remote learning, it also enhances the students from the remote urbanization areas so that they can understand the subject very well. That is, it highlights efforts to promote remote learning through digital platforms. And challenges and possibilities. Challenges are infrastructure. Not every place will have the ICT tools and educations to enhance the learning. So the report acknowledged challenges related to internet connectivity, infrastructure, and device accesses, especially in remote areas. And for recommendations, policymakers must address network and power outages, prevent unethical behavior, and create a safe online environment. Empowering learners. By leveraging these digital tools, India aims to empower learners with quality education regardless of geographical constraints. The report emphasizes the importance of bridging the digital divide and ensuring equitable access to educational resources. And technological advancement. In the ever evolving landscape of education, technology plays a pivotal role in transforming traditional learning methods. Let's explore how online platforms, educational apps, and virtual classrooms are reshaping education. The online platforms for learning are Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. Coursera is nothing but it is an online platform which offers free courses for various students without any investment. So it consists of top universities and institutions worldwide. And Udemy, same as Coursera, Udemy allows learners to acquire new skills. And Skillshare is it focuses on creative fields. Skillshare offers interactive classes and projects. And some of the educational apps are Reading X, Quiz Plus, PBS Kids Games. Reading X means it is an award-winning app for learning reading skills through interactive games or library of digital books. And Quiz Plus is consists of most of the quizzes for schools and college students. And PBS is for the students of low-level kids, that is in primary school kids, so that they can learn the subject in an interactive way. And virtual classroom. Virtual classroom is nothing but it is an online learning environment that replicates a traditional classroom experience. Features include video conferencing, interactive tools, and shared learning materials. It consists of synchronous and asynchronous mode. Synchronous means it is a real-time mode, and asynchronous means it is a recorded mode. Collaboration tools enhance engagement and create a dynamic learning space. And for the conclusion, digital education not only enhances the teaching learning process, it also enhances the students' knowledge in various fields. Thank you.